Today, we're diving into the world of typewriters with the Brother Typewriter Daisy Wheel Blue AM10 Brougham 10JE. This typewriter, brought to you by Brother Industries, boasts compatibility with various models including WordShot Series, AX Series, EX Series, EM Series, CX Series, and more. The typewriter features an English layout and a distinctive blue color that adds a touch of style to your workspace. Its LCD display technology provides a clear view of your text, enhancing the overall typing experience. The glossy screen surface description further adds a modern touch to the classic typewriter design. What sets this typewriter apart is its typewriter typeface for letters, delivering a nostalgic yet professional aesthetic. Whether you're a writer, a typewriter enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the charm of vintage technology, the Brother Typewriter Daisy Wheel is worth exploring. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the design, functionality, and compatibility of the AM10 Brougham 10JE. Stay tuned to discover if this typewriter is the perfect addition to your collection or a reliable tool for your writing needs. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.